no fruits.
Y'all doing some vlogging?
Yeah.
Cool, man. What's the YouTube channel?
Bramble Family.
Bramble?
Yeah, BRA, like the berry.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
gotcha.
Yeah, our couple first videos. You just started.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Well, I might look y'all up.
All right. Thank you. Who we finna get?
Huh?
Camera on you. Who we finna get?
We're getting wings. I got ranch seasoning at my house. We got hot sauce, and I think that's all that was in it.
Yeah, hot sauce.
In the ranch season, that's all that was in it.
Vlogging. Gotta get some chicken, man. Oh, the recipes on your
And that's all that was on it.
but still check. Partner. She don't wanna check, man. I wanna be lazy. So y'all, this is what we're gonna be making.
No, don't tell
Oh,
them.
you don't want to tell? You don't want to
No,
show?
because I don't want
We're
to
not
know
gonna
my
show
recipe.
y'all. We're not showing y'all. We're not showing y'all. What's wrong with y'all, man? It's outside. It's chicken. You see what I'm saying? I really want to show y'all the drip, man. I want to show y'all the drip. Wait.
We're ready to go chicken.
Show them what chicken you want to pick up.
No.
That's not even the right chicken at all.
He's so picky.
Get the part.
We're getting is chicken. Yes, and butter. Like, what do we need a cart for?
Beef. Pork. How y'all doing today? I wouldn't want to try to squeeze a Q&A. Little Q&A in this video. Yeah, so stay tuned. Q&A might be in here too. So yeah, you talk because I'm really bored. And I don't shop in public, so I don't know what's in here, man. I give my dog some bone. The big one? But these might last long. Oh, she said get the big one. And dinosaur bone. God, that's a dinosaur bone. Huh? Butter? Get butter. I ain't shot them for the truck, man. Like, ooh, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, regular football socks, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, show mine. And then I got a fat one.
Okay. Anyways.
Let me show him.
You're not bad.
My booty is fat. Don't hate on me.
You know what you look like?
I don't care. Stop
You
talking.
look like one of them Mexicans that got a top, like the big top.
Some of my booty not showing. Some of my booty not showing.
She built like this.
Some of my booty not showing.
Nah.
You lying.
Only way you gonna show if you pull your pants down. So we just leaving Publix now. Got our merchandise. That's what they always call it. Got our merchandise. Huh?
Just get the car back to me.
Watch her roll there.
Y'all struggling?
No.
Y'all struggling. Baby? Baby? London. Behind you. Watch out. Come here, London.
Get her.
Oh, going in the truck. Going in the truck.
What's up, Bramble family? I'm Lachey.
I'm Romeo.
And today we are going to be making spicy ranch wings.
Just making some spicy ranch.
If you're wondering why we still have the same clothes on from yesterday, I mean,
It's the same day.
Come here, London.
We already have our chicken.
and we have our fries, homemade fries.
We already have our chicken sitting in water and vinegar for y'all folks that don't wash the chicken off. Anyway, we got everything. I'll show y'all.
Hold on, Lennon wants to be in the video, so come on.
Show y'all what's going on.
Lennon wanted to be in the video, so.
So right now she's seasoning chicken because she wanted to season it.
I just want you guys to know I know how to cook. I know how to season chicken.
No, she ain't.
Yes, I do. Don't
Ain't
say
got no
that.
grease on.
A
Y'all
little
need
bit
to
of
turn the
that.
grease down low before y'all burn stuff. You're not even seasoned yet.
It is seasoning. I am seasoning it.
But still, you need to turn the heat. Okay, I'm going.
Romeo turned it on.
I know, but keep it on low and then you get ready to put it in there. Then turn it up and check the grease. You know, sprinkle a little bit of water in there. And then if it starts popping, then it's ready.
I don't put too much seasoning because still gonna put that on. That's gonna
That
fall.
goes in the sauce. That doesn't go in
I'm
there.
saying though, because it's still salty. I know where it's going. Money, you gonna walk?
Your brother ain't down there, is he?
Yeah.
I don't know.
What?
Pick her up, bruh. Now my seasoned chicken. This is.
You should have turned it off when you fit the camera. I see everybody. We got our chicken. God, really?
You gotta show them the seasoning for real.
We got our seasoning. My fries. She acting like she know what she doing, but she don't.
Yes, I do. And next, I'm going to season.
Let me make the mix.
Next, we're going to season the fries and make the mix for the stuff.
Say hey, vlog. Say hey. Say hey.
What do I put on these? Oh, you want to on fries?
We gotta cook it first.
All right, so nothing on fries. A little of this.
Yeah.
A little bit of this. What about this?
No.
No?
You said that for something.
Oh. Now we're gonna make the sauce.
London, you just finna walk. Here.
You finna move
Here. There you go. Goodbye.
to make the sauce. All you need is butter, ranch seasoning, and hot sauce.
I need a bigger bowl than that. We got nothing but butter.
Okay. So we put the butter in here, we melt it down, and then put the ranch seasoning and the hot sauce in it. How many sticks of butter we need? 2?
I'm making 6 minutes.
That's more than 6,
I mean,
right?
not 6, but 12. So, yeah, cool. Bro, excuse me.
My bad.
The chicken really can be blessed because I'm cooking it with her. We supposed to be talking to the vlog. I know we playing right now, so it's
What
my
about-
first video.
Oh, we should tell them how we made. The right way, not the stupid way. Romeo was in my DMs being thirsty. And he texted me like a year before, and I didn't know he texted me, and I didn't see it. And then one day, like a year later, I was just going
hard to get, like she bad.
No, I just didn't see it. I probably had a boyfriend. I don't know, but I had saw him in there. Well, no, that's not what happened. I asked who would shut up. I had posted a post. I was like, who would be my boy best friend? And he responded.
I said, yeah.
No, he listen. He didn't even answer. He was just like, hey, best friend. And being the person I am, I already thought I knew him and just forgot him. Like, I used to have, like, a whole bunch of, like, boy best friends. So it was nothing, like, I was just like, oh, this is probably one of my old boy best friends or whatever. And he was just, like, texting me, was like, hey, best friend. I was like, hey, best friend, because I didn't want to seem stupid. Like, who was this? And I already knew him. And then he finessed his way into being my boyfriend.
You already knew what was going on.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
I did.
You did.
I didn't.
You did.
I didn't. But finish.
Like I said, in the DM, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what DMs is. You know what I'm saying? I play my way. You know what I'm saying? I don't have, like, friends as girls. You know what I'm saying? Unless I, like you. And I gotta work my way. You know what I'm saying? But that's how it went.
It go down in the DMs.
Well, see, the butter is ready.
We finna have high,
Finna hit it with the
high
hot sauce.
cholesterol, high blood pressure. You gotta make sure you put a lot of this.
That's what I was doing.
You gotta
She
put a
wanna do
lot of butter.
everything.
Okay, we put this in.
She just wanted to do everything.
Put
She just wanted to touch the chicken. She just wanted to touch the fries. She wanted to touch the butter. Alright, let me see. Mix it first.
Hold on, let me
Mix it, make sure.
It's only a little bit left.
Still mix it. You're not gonna show.
Oh.
She so.
Okay.
Think I had. Do not cook with her, please.
Every day, I'm not like a chef. I eat chicken nuggets every day, or like
For extra
chicken
flavoring?
tenders.
For extra flavoring, we're gonna throw a little bit of this ranch seasoning on the chicken.
After.
Oh,
Oh, you
it's
want
a
to cook it with
seasoning,
it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
It's so stiff.
Oh, let me. I'll let you do it.
She gonna do everything.
I'll do it.
What's up? Oh, that's for Prince. Misa got it.
Isn't it
Trying to
cute?
spoil my dog.
But you pour the ranch seasoning in there. Is that too much? Okay, let me do it. This is my part. You're cooking the chicken. I don't know how to cook chicken.
They don't put flour on their chicken.
They don't.
No, they don't. It would look like KFC chicken. They don't put flour on the chicken.
I'm gonna just shut up because I
they-
sound stupid.
They fry the chicken without the flour. You see what I'm saying? So you can have that crisp to it and hold.
Smell it. She smells strong as fuck. It smells strong as fuck. That shit burnt your nose getting it.
Yeah. Dip it in one by one. So we're gonna go ahead and get this oil hot and popping.
It's not hot. Why you turn it down so low?
It wasn't even ready to use the oil. It would have smelled like straight fire. Like meat.
So we doing the chicken first and first.
Cook the chicken first. It'll take the longest.
Okay.
Then you cook the fries.
Okay. Yeah, I'm slow. Don't worry about me. I don't know. I just be saying shit.
And for YouTube, we're gonna correct our what is it called, vocabulary, speech, or whatever you want to call it.
Oh yes, I will be talking very proper.
She be talking white.
and-
I'm gonna talk how I talk, but
No,
without
that's-
the cussing. You see what I'm saying? Like,
No,
I'm
you're-
gonna talk like this. I'm gonna be in my body, but I ain't gonna be cussing. You just gonna be using words like, alright.
Pressure. Okay, so I will. What we doing? Show them how we fry the chicken.
No.
We just gonna
Wait
let
till
them
the
see
oil-
how
You gotta wait till the oil get hot, y'all.
We're finna tell you guys how we met and how we first like linked up.
Like, for real. Not no. I already know we explained it already, but
We
this
gonna
is
re-explain
detail,
it.
like details.
We're
So
gonna
I'm gonna
re-explain it.
speak because she don't know how to speak. So anyways,
I do know how to talk.
be quiet.
Let me tell my
Listen.
part. Let me tell my
Alright,
part.
This
Then
is
you
how
can.
I met her. I seen a little post on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? I want to be her best friend. I mean, I tried to talk to her like for forever, but it didn't work. I had to sit down and think about my play from the Himalaya instance. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I hit her up, told her I want to be her best friend. She went for it or whatever. Like a week later, I think it was like a week later. Was it? Probably like a week
No.
later or 2 weeks later. Probably like 4 days.
No.
Yeah,
It was like a week or two
probably
or
a week or
3
two.
a month.
Man,
3.
I hit up in the DMs, man. I'm trying to date you, so.
No, you wasn't in my DM. You was in my messages. I gave you my phone number.
Oh yeah, she gave me the phone number. That one I knew I was in there.
No.
Number, bro.
No, I gave you
With
my
an
number to
Android.
talk about
Bro,
somebody.
if you get any pretty girl number and you got an Android, you end up.
I didn't know you had an Android.
You end up.
I
You didn't
didn't
see my pictures?
No,
I took pictures with an Android.
I didn't look.
She knew.
I didn't look.
Play in front of Himalayas.
Okay.
But anyways, like I was saying, she said yeah. I mean, she told me yeah, or whatever. That's when I had my hair like a little. I had an afro when you met me. Yeah, I had like a little tuck fade. That's when I started getting like little all around and stuff.
Mhm.
Hair gonna be looking way better later on in life, but yeah, I just hit.
Maybe said later on in life.
I just hit her up on the DMs, man. Just a little Instagram thing.
Okay, now
man.
tell her how we met.
Oh.
I didn't meet with him the first
What
time.
you mean me the first day?
I did not say I didn't meet with him the first time.
probably
Not the first day.
It was probably like the third day you came over.
No, I did not. The third time you tried to link up with me. Not the third day.
The
It
third
was
time I tried to link
talking.
up with her, she tried to play hard like she was bad, like she was making a stab and stuff.
No, I just didn't want to come. I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna tell you why I didn't want to come on my part.
But like I was saying, she came over or whatever, like probably a month later or whatever. And you know what I'm saying?
That's good.
She said I looked evil, but I like.
Boy,
I
that
had,
boy look like a serial killer. I got out my ride.
I was.
Do the face you be making. This nigga was just sitting on
I
his
had a
porch
normal
like
face.
this.
I was-
He was sitting on his porch like this, like, I'm finna kill this bitch.
What,
Like, no. Like, you know when you finally meet up with somebody, you supposed to like have a smile in there and have a smile on his face
I
like
don't
that. He was just
smile.
looking like he was
Sorry.
finna hurt me.
The only way
And
I
I was
smile is like
oh no.
if like I'm talking to you and like I'm about to say something funny or you look funny or something, I'm gonna be smiling when I'm laughing at you or something like that.
No. But okay, so I got out my ride. And then he was looking like a serial killer, so I got scared. I swear to God, I didn't walk into his driveway or nothing. I was right outside my Uber. I was like, ooh, shit, this fucked up. I just made this way off the internet. He finna hurt me. But, and then it's funny because I had told him, I was like, you look like you finna hurt me.
She thought I was catfishing her. Too.
Shut up. I'm
She
gonna
thought
get
I
to
was a
that part.
catfish.
Yeah.
She said my pictures didn't look.
That's
how
not
I
what I
did.
said. I got catfish. Listen, I got catfish
Yeah,
like
catfish
right
'cause he
before. Shut up. Right before I started talking to him, and I thought he was the boy that catfished me because they sound just alike. I still think that, to be honest. But I thought he was the boy that
I'm her
catfished
catfish.
me.
I'm her
So when I
cat.
linked up with him, he looked like he's gonna hurt me. I got scared like, oh shit, this probably really is the nigga that just catfished me, and he's gonna hurt me. Like what the fuck? I'm gonna die. And then, no, it's crazy because when I got in there, his house don't got no signal. None.
And
When you
I
get in
could
there,
kill
it's
you.
nothing.
That-
So,
you won't
and
be called-
it's crazy
You won't
because
even be able to call 911. Okay.
I told him, I was like, why your house don't got no signal? Like, what's going on? He said, it's easier to kill you that way. So tell me what you would be thinking. And then he had like it was like his big red stain. And I was like, he was like, hey, this where I killed the last person. It was like a big like red stain,
That was
like
bad.
blood. And I was like,
It was hair dye.
oh my God.
It was hair
I
dye.
need to call my mama. I need to go. Like
I scared her.
Yes.
I shook her about that part. But it's YouTube. But anyways, our oil getting hot, so we're gonna show you how we finna make this chicken our hood American deli, or well, our home American delis. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be alright. You know what I'm saying? Me and her cooked it, so me and my
baby mama.
wife. So we already got our stuff for like the fries and the wings. So we don't like oil the chicken. So like everything almost ready. Wanna see the finished product real soon, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Romeo again. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Crash_Bandicoot, like the cartoon or the game character, however you want to say it. But
That's a character? Crash Bandicoot?
you know, Crash
That's a real person?
That's a game. Man, She man, she young. I apologize. She's young. She don't know who's Crash Bandicoot. For all
Who
my
is that?
likes,
What'd he do?
just fight.
Oh, he's a fighter?
Like little fighting memes and monsters and stuff. Like, yeah. If you ever played Crash Bandicoot, you know what he does. Favorite cartoon game or animated or whatever you want to call it, but that's my favorite character, Crash Bandicoot. That's my dog. If I could have kept Crash Bandicoot as a pet, him all the way.
You can follow me on Instagram at Lashay B__. That's LASHAY.
Follow her off of my page. They
I
took it
had
from me.
logged you out like they did my own.
Yeah, they logged me out, man. Instagram be hanging, man. I had on rats, man. Man. Looking pretty, man. My little sexy chocolate self.
Yo, shut up.
Ooh, my little sexy. I'm sexy and chocolate, guys. So, guys, it's about to take the chicken. As you can see. Put to the side. And we're gonna fry it. Bear skin. You always fry stuff with a shirt on. You see, I'm not gonna talk. You always fry stuff with a shirt on. It's number one rule. Ever cook it on.
Turn it down. We'll be back with the finished product.
I'm back again. So guys, chicken almost finished. It's almost done. Almost done. Next is the fries. Stay tuned. So chicken is almost done. About to take it out of the pot. Put it in the paper plate. As you can see, put it in the paper plate for y'all. Ow. Oh, it's just popping. And one thing you do not want to leave on your skin and let it sit. Boy. Okay, so what am I doing right now? Just making sure the chicken is all good. Ow. As you see, everybody, I didn't show y'all, I'm sorry, but the fries are already in. I just throw a little bit more ranch seasoning on the chicken. And the fries are already in. So, I just want to get on the camera by myself for a little minute. Get on the camera for a little minute. Step outside. I told you to change it. But I'm outside right now. Just speaking to y'all. A little motivational speech. What I want to say, a little motivational quote is what I want to say. It's just stay on top of your game. Don't let nobody tell you what you can or can't do. You know what I'm saying? Don't let anybody or nobody kill your spirit. Everybody can do anything they want to. They just put their mind to it, just like me. Just started YouTube. I never did YouTube, never did any videos. Never edit, but everybody had to try somewhere. Everybody had to start at a low point to get to a high point. See, I'm starting real low. I'm real though. I'm like right here right now. But real soon, we'll be up there. Just gotta keep a smile on your face. Keep a real big smile on your face. Don't let nobody ever see that you down, cause they're gonna bring you down more. That's how I feel. Okay, guys. Just letting y'all know about the fries is officially finished. Ain't helped me with nothing. Ain't helped me with nothing. She wanted to do this cooking channel, a little cooking vlog, and they ain't helped me with nothing. Don't want to be burned. Don't want nobody to be talking about my food.
What you talking about? What are you talking about?
I'm about to put the season on the fries, y'all. Just add a little ranch to it, just for a little flavor. Just for a little flavor. My hands are clean, so that's it, y'all. Man. Okay. The only time my hands get dirty is when I put them on you. Chicken.
Let's show. Now we gotta show them how we.
I was about to dip it.
Okay, we're finna show y'all how we dip it. Oh, we gotta record us dipping it.
Oh. So all we doing is just dip it in there. Toss it around. No, use like a fork or something.
Oh.
All you doing is just like dipping it stuff. A little basic. A little basic stuff. A little basic. You know what I'm saying? Dip it all in there. Dip like multiple. Yes. Yes, sir. You wanna talk to the wall?
Huh?
You wanna talk to the wall? You just gonna dip it? Man, life is great right now. If you look at it at a different perspective, not because we have a child, life is hard.
I love being a mom.
But I like being a dad, but
I love being a mom.
it's just Donald Trump is our president, bro. Of course I hate life. Getting the stuff ready. Getting that stuff ready. Getting that stuff ready. Finna eat good. I really slick got a headache.
I am crazy.
Homemade fries, y'all.
I made them.
You
I
did.
cut them up.
She cut them up, but I cooked them and seasoned them. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, man.
Homemade fries. Ain't nothing better than making homemade food. You know what I'm saying? Homemade cake. Homemade fries. Homemade hot wings. Homemade,
Yeah.
what? Meatloaf. If some of y'all folks eat meatloaf. I like curry chicken, so. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, London. Say hey. Say hey, vlog. Say hey, vlog.
Okay, let's show them what it looks like.
This is little baby London.
This is what they look like, guys.
Finished product, guys. Finished product. You know, I like my wings wet. I'm from Atlanta, so.
And he's
that's
gonna
it.
put extra sauce in his.
Throw it there. Little S.
Watch her the spoon.
Cause it's coming up perfect with this. You know what I'm saying?
Well, do mine like that. What?
Alright, guys. We just finished our little cooking video for y'all. Y'all been asking for these videos for forever.
Ain't nobody asked.
Forever. Y'all folks ask for these videos, man.
Nobody asked us
But-
for nothing. But Romeo's finna taste the wing for you. I can't do it. I got braces. So, why are you trying to stab him? Stop.
She's a bad kid.
Biggie. Biggie for real? I did that.
Y'all, same chicken, same video, same ranch.
We would have a
Same
Q&A. Like, who knows, like, I asked you questions about me. And you said,
We'll do that next video. I'm cutting that out. But anyways. Yeah, personally, this chicken is a must again. Yes, this chicken is a must again. As you can see, she used all the damn ranch. Ranch now.
I hear ranch every day.
What you want to write these wings?
a scale of 1 to 10, I would give them like a 9.
And why?
Cause they pressure, they good. They're great.
I give it a 9 too, but the reason why I give it a 9 is because
Cause you made them.
it's really unhealthy. And, yeah.
What? It's what?
No, it's like really unhealthy. Cause we use butter to make the mix, even though you're supposed to do it with butter. But
What you give it, London? What you rate it? Say 1. You like it? You like them?
what's up, y'all? I apologize. I didn't give y'all what I should call it, a proper ending to the video. But this is it. Saying just got my daughter's old birthday shirt on, but obviously ain't with them right now. So yeah, I did have fun with my family. Videos are coming soon. We not slacking. I'm sorry, it's a little tongue twist right there, but we are not slacking, bro. We're dropping videos. It's just editing takes forever. But stay tuned, y'all. I appreciate it. The subscribes, the views, and the likes. I appreciate it all. Love.